Hello and welcome to this ACT lesson. Today I want to show you how you can use MS Paint to draw an attractive image, be able to crop that image and save it in a folder. Then you will use HTML language to create a new web page which will show the picture which you saved in the folder. To do that is very simple. The first thing is to start MS Paint. I will come to the desktop and type here Paint. When the screen for MS Paint opens up, first I will pick a rectangle shape for the border. I want it black and check the size here. I want it a little bit thinner. Then I will draw a nice border. I want to draw a house. I will just use this rectangular shape and check the size. I think this one will be fine. The smallest or thinnest line. I will go ahead and draw a window still with the rectangular shape. And I will trace it from outside. Let me escape this. I just trace this so that I create two squares like that. Get a straight line and press Shift. When you press Shift, you get a perfect straight line. And click away. Go back here and draw another one to run horizontally. Press Shift. So I have created a nice window here. I will go ahead, click the Select tool and select my window. When it is selected like this, I will come here and click Copy. Then I will click Paste and move it to the other side of the house. For the door, I will just go to my rectangular shape, select it here, like that. I will click that rectangular shape again and trace it to draw the second rectangle to create a frame. And I will just pick the oval shape and draw a very small picture of a lock here. A tiny picture of a lock. That's look great. I can have my roofing here with a straight line. Have a straight line like this and have it on the other side also. Let me undo this and start from this end. Can have that, and then I can coil this like this. That is my roof. I will go ahead and paint this house. I think which color is good. Let me just choose this brownish one. Get my jug and fill it. For the door, I can have it grayish. Then for the windows, I can give them yellow color. A nice yellow color for the windows, and paint black the other part. I will go ahead and choose green color. Then pick my pencil here and adjust the size of the pencil to be a bit thicker. Then I will draw my garden a nice garden of grass, and on the other side the same, just like that. Then this one I will grab a filling jug and paint it green. Then I will change this color 1 to white and click my pencil and change the size to be thinner. Then I will make some pattern on the compound like this. Just a small area of grass. Then the next thing is to ensure I draw a nice tree, so I will look for brown color and click my pencil, already clicked, and make it a little bit thicker. I can draw a nice stem for a tree, just slowly moving on like that. Then I will just close this opening so that I paint it. We can switch to another greenish color. If you want more colors, you just come here, edit colors. Then here you can play around with this palette of colors, and you adjust to whichever color is good. Let me go with that. Then I'll click OK. Now we can see it comes to color 1. So I will just pick my pencil. It is already picked. The size is okay. And I want to draw the canopy of the tree, the leaves, and complete it here. I will go ahead and paint it. Then I will change this color to brown for the trunk of the tree, and I will click the jug and paint the tree. Change color 1 to white, pick my pencil and change the size to be thinnest. Then do some patterns with the white like this, so that I have a canopy of the tree which looks real. Finally, let me paint my sky. I can just choose this blue light and pick my jug and paint the background. Then it is important to add clouds. So I want a white color. We have a nice shape which looks like cloud here, and I can draw some clouds like that, and go ahead and pick the jug and paint it white. No, undo. I will paint inside this. You can see there is a problem with that. This one I can just select it and remove it from here. If it is refusing to be delete key on the keyboard, then I just pick my blue color, pick the jug and paint it out. So I will change this to white and draw again a cloud here, and pick my jug and try to paint it. Then pick my eraser and erase this bottom part of the cloud so that it looks perfect. And remember, it is good to put some birds. Choose black color, choose a pencil, a thicker line, and put a bird here flying in the sky above the trees. Now it looks fine, and I'm going ahead and insert my name somewhere. I will click this text tool and change color to red. Let me just use red and put my name maybe here. Drawing by Mr. Juma. Then I will go and select this text and choose a nice font, the one which looks great. Let me choose this Century Gothic and reduce its size to 11, just like that. So I have written here drawing by Mr. Juma, and my image looks great. So I'm going ahead and selecting this picture. Just select it here like this, then click crop. Now you can see my picture is now small and looks attractive. I will now click save, come to desktop. The desktop, I will create a new folder here and call it graphics. Press enter, and in the graphics I will give it a name, house, and take note it is of type PNG. So I will click save and close MS Paint. I will go ahead and start Notepad, which is a program for writing the HTML code, and I will just start here with the word HTML and close it down here. HTML, come to my head and then close the head down here, and inside the head I can have my title for the page. Let me just call it house, and close this title tag. Below the head we can have the body tag, and this body tag closed down here like this. I will come inside my body and I insert my heading 1, and right here my beautiful house, and close the H1 tag. Below H1 I can insert the image for my house. Between these quotation marks I will write the name of my image file is house and type is .png. I will just come inside my H1 and color it. So I will write here style equals style color. I can have this as blue, or let me just have red, or let me try brown. Brown is also a good color. Then font, I want that heading to have a font family, which will be, let me have another one which is called Kandara. That is the font family. And below this picture I can write my single paragraph here with the P tag. I just write, this is my house in Karen, designed by experts from Italy, like that, and close that. So I will go ahead, save this and then in the same folder where my picture is, inside graphics, and I will call this page house.html and press save. This is now my folder with the picture and the web page. I will go ahead and double click this web page. You can now see my web page is here with the title house and my heading, my beautiful house, and my picture is shown here. And this is the paragraph. This is my house in Karen, designed by experts from Italy. This is how we draw pictures and display them on web pages. Thank you for participating. See you next time. Bye bye.